Okay, so pardon the messy house, but I have the beginnings of my jib setup going here. Got it on the computer here. I've got my little Z part of the mix. I can zoom in and pull out. So this little puppy's attached to the camera, and I've got it on a 50-foot cable. And now I've got this. So this gives me my pan. And it's got variable speeds. And then I can tilt. I could pan over to where you can have a nice picture to look at. Let me do that. I'll pan. Bring it down a little bit. Oops. I don't have this. This controller is made to go on a like a tripod handle, and of course I don't have it on a tripod handle, so it's just kind of, I gotta do something about that. And this goes on a thing too, so I'll probably, I don't know, maybe I'll dig my rails out that I'm not using and make a little thing to hold all of this. Anyway, that's it so far. Now outside, pardon the mess. Right now, I have it on the jib, way up there. All right, the jib is, it's not quite sturdy enough for all of this, but it's close. It is close, and I've got to get, like, this is a 10 and a 5 and a 2.5, and that's, you can see that's a little too much. So I need to get a, when I took the 2.5 off, it's a little light, so I need to find a 1 and stick on there, see how that does. But and I did have my fluid head on there, and the one I had on this tripod just wasn't heavy duty enough, so I just went with the flat deal there. So I might get just a pan piece. I know I can get some that are pretty heavy duty and stick it in there, and that way all of this will turn too, and then I'll really have some good stuff. But I redid that little base, and you can see how it kind of, everything wiggles a little bit if I jiggle this in. So I'm not crazy about that. I'd like to sturdy that up a little bit. I'm not sure if that means I go with rebuild the jib so that it's a little heavier duty, or heavier duty bolts and holes. I mean, hang on just, I don't know. I've got a few things to figure out, but at least I've got something that will in fact work right now. So I'm excited about that.